everyone, I'm Tennessee Stormwatch Tracker Steve Cooper. The current time now is 12:11 a.m. We do have partly mostly cloudy skies outside of Deer Lodge, Tennessee, with a temperature of 52 degrees, humidity 77%, with a dew point at 45 degrees, along with a barometric pressure currently 29.92 inches of mercury and falling. So that does mean we have a system on the way, along with the chances for some scattered showers, possibly some widespread strong to severe thunderstorms, and as we head into Monday afternoon, we're going to spell that out for you. As a matter of fact, right now, we're going to get started on your latest forecast maps. We're going to start you off with tonight's frontal system, and this is from HPC actually. Got this off the HPC website. And as you can see here, we have a frontal system that extends all the way across the Rio Grande to the lower Ohio Valley into Carolinas. And this is where we're actually south of boundary is getting a lot of warmer air, and that is causing the air to rise. And as it does so, that's keeping our temperatures cool in the 50s and 60s and 70s across the south and southeast, along with some pretty good convective weather across Arkansas, with general thunderstorms across portions of the area that's pretty well under the boundary there. Now, as we look at the threat from the Storm Prediction Center for tonight, again, this is for tonight's Day 1 outlook. You'll see that first of all, along the frontal boundary and south of the frontal boundary, anytime you got a lot of warm air, cold air clashing in, you don't get a lot of wind shear. Sometimes you can get thunderstorms just popping up, and those just be heavy rain producers along with some gusty winds. And it looks like a chance very chances for severe weather exist. And this goes into southern Arkansas, central Arkansas, and parts of the Tennessee River Valley. This is MD in effect. It's MD 273. And as you can see along the stationary boundary, you can see that there is currently an MD in effect for west, southwest Tennessee, southern and central Arkansas. And this is where we could actually see a narrow access of severe weather form, with the possibility of seeing some large hail, damaging winds, maybe get a few isolated tornadoes along that frontal boundary with any wind shear that it taps into. So we're going to watch that very closely for the next few hours. Heavy rainfall will also be a pretty good threat. Looks like maybe between 1 to 3 inches of rain or more across Arkansas and the Tennessee River Valley. Now, as we head through the evening hours, which is going to be pretty well on in through Monday evening, looks like that threat of showers and thunderstorms will begin across the Tennessee River to the mid-south now through the early morning to early afternoon hours on Monday. And then on the late afternoon hours and evening hours on Monday, it looks like that chance for showers and thunderstorms overspreads and moves eastward into the Cumberland Plateau and eastern Tennessee and the Appalachians, with the chances for some damaging winds, hail, and maybe an isolated tornado. Keep an eye on that and see how that goes for you there. Now again, as discussed, there you see the chances for severe weather, and that goes across the areas across Alabama, Mississippi, northwest parts of central Georgia, on into eastern Tennessee and parts of the Cumberland Plateau. That's a look at tonight's forecast update. Stay with us, and the Tennessee Stormwatch Center, and I will keep you well updated and alert.